This is Hollywood Boulevard, and I'm looking at the base camp of a movie. They got these trailers called Star Wagons, and Hollywood signs just behind it. It was an empty lot yesterday, and now film crew has ascended upon it, which is probably normal in LA.
Want to make $1 million in the movie business? Start off with $10 million.
Yeah, 900% loss. Doesn't sound good. Thanks, man. The location for a Walkabout Life is kind of the story a lot of times, so I have to carry all of my equipment in a backpack. No excuses.
No excuses.
New Year's resolution. Starting day 2.
How you guys doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing today? Everybody doing good? That's what I'm talking about. I say, yo, what time is it? Show time. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna put on a quick 2-minute freestyle show for you guys. Next up, we got Bowser coming straight from Mexico. Make close attention.
So an eye-level tripod has become a big part of my equipment. However, this Manfrotto quick release, it works great, but it just takes up a lot of room in my backpack. I can feel a breeze coming through the tunnel when the train starts getting here.
Where you from, Steven Spielberg?
Texas,
You got a job?
right here.
All right, let me see.
You got a job?
Yeah, right, collecting your money. That's my job. China. One guy with a job.
Can you give me directions, baby? No? Well, you want to come with me at least? Oh, you're killing me. That fake smile? Okay, well, bye. Howdy.
How you doing, sir? Thank you.
All right, thank you. That's the Riders Guild of the American West. How cool is that? It's an entire foundation for the guys responsible for the story. Dude, I'm already tripping and we're only on the first floor. Look at this place. Like a kid in a candy store. Sammy's cameras. Four floors. Filmmaking. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a tripod that would be the equivalent of an ultralight backpacking tent. So this is the Manfrotto Element. It comes up about chest high on me. And it folds up to this size right here. However, getting the stability out of a lightweight tripod is tough. Fortunately or unfortunately, that was the rental department. So I have the equipment that I need. I really hate buying stuff when I don't need it, and shopping's kind of frustrating. Hey look, that's my camera, the T7i. This is my first time eating California Mexican. The relleno is delicious. Stuffed with mozzarella, but instead of being deep fried in a batter, maybe it's baked. And then it's got this red sauce on top, with peppers in it, and onions. The rice is a little bit lighter than the Texas rice. It feels like maybe it was even cooked in like chicken broth. And the green sauce, very similar to El Paso, like blended jalapenos, and maybe there's some tomatillos in this one. The red sauce, a little more on the sweet side. And I'm not exactly sure what pepper's in it, but it's not terribly spicy. And they're a little runnier than, they're a little thicker than El Paso's hot sauce. And a little bit thinner than like the chunky stuff you get in West Texas. That would probably be considered more Tex-Mex. Sammy's camera is a great find. Considering he didn't buy anything, it was still an excellent trip. We met Henry Lopez. He is more or less a studio photographer, but definitely knows what he's doing. Cool dude. And, it's like networking. I'm gonna eat Mexican food. We didn't get a tripod. Then going back to the hostel. Oh yeah, and the tortillas, they're homemade. Thank you, sir.
You have delicious food.
Thank you very much. See you soon, okay?
Mexican food always hits the spot. Frank's Mexican on Fairfax. I highly recommend it if you happen to be walking around in Hollywood, LA. And the relleno used to be fried, but people didn't like all the oil that the batter held. And so they started baking them instead, and then they roll them around in egg and fry it in a skillet, and it comes out hot with an egg wrapped around it. This is our bus back to the hostel. Oh, it's been an awesome day. Well, didn't buy anything, got a full belly of Mexican food, met some awesome people. LA's a pretty cool city, enjoyed it again, and I don't know what we're doing next, but I love you guys. I hope you have a great night, and I will see y'all soon.